Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Just wanted to shoot a quick reminder. This is going to be the last group ETF that pays for YieldMax in the year of 2024, and that is Group A, which is the following ETFs as well as YMAX and YMAG. So go into their website. We'll look at the distribution schedule. It's a little bit different this week since Christmas is on that Wednesday. It pretty much just pushes everything out an extra day here. So go into the YieldMax website. We can see here, fit to screen, zooming in a little bit for you guys. So so this is the one we're looking at, YMAX Group A ETFs. The declaration date is the day after Christmas, which is the 26th, which is a Thursday. So the ex-dividend date is pushed out one further day, so the 27th. So you won't actually receive these payments until the following Monday. So just keep that in mind. Some big hitters from that list. We already kind of looked at it here. But TSLY, a lot of people are investors in that fund. It's been performing pretty well recently with Tesla running up. Crash is the inverse of that, so it's not been doing well. GOOY, YBIT, OARK, XOMO, SNOY, TSMY, FEET, and FIVY. So these might be two of their newer funds. Haven't done a whole lot of research on these ones, but I think these might be momentum-based ones. So it looks like they might be getting... actually, they weren't on the X announcement, so I doubt they're going to be in this payment list. But going forward, it looks like they'll be getting added. And then it does look like Morrow has been added to Group B. So that's interesting. I imagine they'll probably be in the next payment as well. But yeah, looking at TSLY, though, I kind of want to take a look at that one real quick here. And TSLY, we go to TSLY dividend history. So let's see kind of what they've been doing. Back in November, they paid $1.22. And then October was a disappointing month for sure at only 59 cents. October looked pretty solid. September, 81 cents. August, pretty solid, 96. So it kind of looks like every other month has been pretty solid for them. We'll see. Hopefully December is at least over $1. But if it follows the pattern of these last 4 or 5 months here, it looks like it's going to be less than $1.22. Stay tuned, though. Once again, that will be announced coming up next week, the day after Christmas. Hopefully it's a good announcement. Looking at TSLY, though, past 5 days, it's down 7.5%. Obviously, the big market, it was up a solid 5% there. But then ever since, the market has definitely sold off a good bit. Down 11% since Wednesday. FOMC was this week. They decided on an interest rate hike. Regardless, a lot of volatility in the market. SPY sold off huge. Pretty much everything sold off really big. It did rally back up today after there was some good inflation data come out. But yeah, tons of volatility. End of the year, a lot of people are tax loss harvesting and whatnot. Year to date from a price and return, it's still down 33.47%. But, since October, it's been rocking and rolling, up 57%, pulled back to 39%. So, wow, there's actually December 17th to the 20th. It's pulled back 11% in 3 days, as Tesla has as well, I imagine. Past month, been on at 23%. So it was up 40% up until December 17th, and then it's pulled back 12%. So it looks like TSLY hasn't pulled back quite as much as Tesla, but it's still pretty close there. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it. Just a quick little announcement. Group A ETFs will be getting paid out, and it will be the last payment for their group funds in the year of 2024. It's been a massive year, right? They've had some winners, they've had some losers, but stay tuned for 2025. Hopefully, some of these funds can continue to perform and continue to, accomplish their goals of, producing very high high incomes. I hope they can, settle on the NAV erosion, just kind of have a steady NAV. We'll see though. Yeah, okay, so these are the two new funds, FIVY and FEAT. And it looks like these are the Dorsey Wright hybrid. So it's a hybrid 5 income and then a featured 5 income. They won't be paid out this month, it doesn't look like. But going forwards, it looks like they will be added to that Group A list. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Please like and subscribe down below. Hope you guys have a terrific Christmas and stay tuned for more videos coming out in 2025.